after ironing a deep mountain stream today. This is a woodland road. When I visited the store, I saw that I was going to take this road. I would be more interested. This road should be accessible from the map, but no one should be gone for a long time. Then be afraid of the front. What kind of collapse happened? It should be coming soon. It's over. If you go down here, it will be locked. Is it open? Lock it up now. There should be something planted or farmed here. What's that? Oh, there is a cow. Have cattle. I calf hello.
Hello.
Hello, little cowboy. The environment here is also very good. Wait a minute, hike down here. This is the location. Here's a couple raising cattle in this vegetable. I played a trick with them when I passed by. Wait for me to go back and take another way, passing through their village. He had a little incident. The environment here is also very good. It seems it's going to rain heavily now. A stream like this. What kind of fish do you think you'll catch? It's hard for me to think of it if it wasn't for a rainstorm. This location. Remember this place too? Make a little nest. It's over. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. This little one, like digging. Dare not go to the middle. This path is full of cows. Wow, this place. Hide from the fish. See if my stick is strong. Wow. This stick is quite nice. It's only after 12 o'clock. It's so dark. Rainstorm. Fortunately, I brought an umbrella. Otherwise, it must be enough. What should I do? I'm afraid the water will rise later. I have to cross the creek on the way back. Hurry up. Retreat first. Yeah. There is a small house next to it. Go in and hide from the rain. Ah, this little house. Can't hide from the rain. It rains endlessly. It's been an hour. It's been raining, and it's raining heavily. I'm wondering if I should give up. This place, the first to hit, the place in the nest has become like this. It's hard to get through below. You can only try it here. Hang to earthworms and try to see if they scratch Latin. Come on, you have to get off the pole. When I was a child, if it was so muddy. If you scrape an earthworm, Latin fishing. It is now. Always. In fact, at this moment, I have already left the rainstorm here. A little tired, I thought about throwing the poles and retreating. I didn't even turn on the camera. I didn't expect it. Wow, 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 wow. There is actually stock in it. God, what a surprise. I was ready to give up. I've given up hope here. There is such a beautiful product. Wow, fun, fun, fun. Pick up the hook. Wow, hurry up and change the no. For hook. Change that no. For hook to fuck him. Now replace with a no. For hook. Wow, we have it in stock. So happy. I thought it was out of stock. So I did it symbolically. Here it comes again. Here it comes again. Wow, it's so beautiful. What is this one? Wow, that's pretty powerful. That's a lot of force. And you see a big curved bow. Ouch. This is a big stone bag. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here I am again, a giant yellow crayon. Beautiful. Wow, this one is another one. Oh, this. This shouldn't count as a yellow crayon fishtail. Pretty. In stock, in stock. That's it. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes again. Here comes another one. Beautiful, beautiful, great. Finished. Wow, this one is great and big. How to pretend to be beautiful. Wow, so big. This stuff really tastes good. A water snake, water snake. The little water snake came over. Now is the time to have a mouth. I'll do whoever comes. This position is no longer available. Coming, coming. Another kick. Nice. This one's shorter. Coming, coming, coming. Well, this one's bigger. Well, this is big. Beautiful, beautiful. No, this one is big and this one is bigger. Oh, this one's bigger. Is this beautiful? Long or not, continue to continue. Here it comes. This smells so good. So fragrant. So fragrant. Oh, another snake. I always feel like this little spicy strip is nearby. Nice. Another shot. Another big one. Another big one. Overlord Palace, Overlord Palace. Get you up again. Here comes another big bow. Pretty. How? Hey, this is a grouper. It may be very strong. Maybe grouper. See if it's a grouper. Sure enough, it's a grouper. Hey, I said, why is it so strong? Here it comes. 60, this one is okay. Chubby. Oh, that one. The snake is coming again. A little snake is there again. It's swimming around. It's here. What is that for? Keep doing it. It seems to be coming again. It's coming. It's coming. Right, 18. Coming, coming. Very obvious feel. It should be a furry. Beautiful. Coming, coming. This should be 100,000. Encounter such a big flower. This should be 100,000. Drift. This is a good 10 order. Here it comes. Coming, coming. Think. Try this position. Beautiful. Indeed there is. Indeed there is. Here comes the beautiful yellow and spicy diced 18 pairs, right here. 1818, so it was called Wan La Day. Here comes the beautiful, it's this 100,000 big. This 100,000 big. Here comes another yellow stud earring. Last one. Grouper hand. Dry hands. Well, here are the earthworms for you. Take a look at how many fish. Beautiful. The fish are very beautiful today. 18 is not too small. Look at this yellow crayon. The black one is very beautiful. Didn't you pass by Uncle's village on the way back? I see my car running towards me excitedly everywhere. You scared me. Where have you been? It's such a big water. You climb up. My house is a bit big, and now I'm doomed. I can't get through to my phone. You and I were in the house after 4 o'clock. Let me see if you haven't come up yet. It's over. It's over. No, I was the one. It rained. I saw the rain. I'll be back soon. I'll go back to the place where you grow vegetables. I'm just playing there. I'm fishing there. Okay. Laugh more. Hey, are you going out here? Wait a minute. Let me see if I'm going out here. It's out here a while. This village is like a paradise. Except for the neighbor mountain road where I came from. This is the only way they usually go out. It is understood that it was only opened in 2006.